Hey, welcome back to Expat Rebel. This is Chris, and I am blogging about my Mexican beach home renovation. A lot happened today. I just let the contractors just left for the day. And so let me show you what they did today. Now, they dug this big, huge hole right here next to our Vega, which is going to have solar panels on the front, and the solar panels are going to come out to right around there. So they need two pillars. And you got to go kind of deep to make it all secure and safe and everything. So this was one person's day output today was this big hole plus the shade because we don't have any shade over here and kind of needs that here in the tropics of Mexico. So we got that done. And then we had another, that was just one person. The rest of the team today worked on the pool and the steam room. So I'm walking right over there for that. Now in the pool, we pretty much had finished the stone trim around the pool. I showed that off, I think, in the last video. And someone today, we're sticking in what is going to be the tile. What's underneath the tile. The tile is this. That's going to be the tile. And it's going to be all along the edge of the pool. And so they were setting that up. And they'll put in the tile tomorrow. Also everybody else was working on the steam room. So the steam room, they finished up some cementing and they stuck the roof on. As you could tell, it's at a slant so that when you're inside, the water doesn't drip on you. I've been in steam rooms where it does. It's not pleasant. It hurts because it's really hot. So that's really important. So tomorrow we're going into town to look at tile for the insides. Now we looked at pictures and we got some ideas of which ones we like. I want to kind of see them in person. We're thinking about doing two tiles, different ones, one for the floor and one for the rest of it. But we're going to see and all that. Oh, and also this area here is where the steam room equipment is going to be going. Also, so they're doing that. It's going to have a little door on it. And the pool house that has all the pool filters and all that was finished today. From what I heard, so I'm going to go over and look real quick. The chikun finish on it is done. So that's this nice concrete finish. So it's a local thing. It's actually made from some local tree. Looks like it's finished. And then the people that need to stick the equipment need to come here and do that. It's all ready. The pipes, everything they need right there. And of course, the big hole where that goes over to the pool. So that is at least done. And we've ordered the doors for this house and for the one for the house pump. We get a pressurized system, which is fantastic. It's so nice to be able to take a shower upstairs with really good water pressure and the softener and everything. And, it's really hard water around here. So the softener is really changing things. We haven't had a water softener in forever. That's big. And so this is nice to have. Well, that's it from here, from Yucatan. Showed this new hat I got the other day in Progreso, right on the beach. I was walking looking for a nice painted hat because I hadn't had one that's painted. And got one with a jaguar on it. It's cool. Like the video if you like it. If you got comments, a positive comment, go ahead and leave that. I love those. Or if you got a question about doing our home renovation in Mexico, let me know. I'll be sure to answer you in a comment or even a video. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. And hey, click on those bell notifications so you get notified when the new video comes out. All right. Hey, I'll see you guys next time. We're almost done with the pool. They've actually told me 2 weeks, 2 more weeks. There's some rain on the forecast. So my guess is it's not going to be quite 2 weeks. It's going to be a little bit longer, but we're getting close. But see you next time. Bye.